Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add multiple different widgets in the pre-space of the taskbar of Windows 11 computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Store and just search for Widgets, and you can see here Widgets widget taskbar system. Just click on it. Now click on get to download and install it. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now you can see on the left side different tabs: layout, showcase, and widgets. So here just click on this showcase, and here you can see the available widgets that you can add. So I'm gonna add here some widgets by clicking on this get. So just click on this get and click on this get to download and install it. So now similarly you can add more widgets. So let me add more widgets. So once you have installed your required widgets, now just click on this layout, and now you can see all the installed widgets that I've recently installed. So now on the above you can see here the green area where you can add your widgets. So if you want to add one widget upon another, then you can just use this smart stack. Just drag it to this green area, whether you want to add here or here. So you can see the preview below also where it will be positioned. So you can see here, I can drag it. So say I want to add it here, this smart stack widget. So now let me add a media player here, and let me add this news widget also alongside with this media player. And now I want to add the system matrix widgets on the other side. So you can see the preview. So you can adjust the place. I will just add it here, and let me add this self widgets just beside to this system matrix. So finally you can see on the below the system widgets is showing up. So if I click on it, it will show you more details regarding the systems details like CPU, memory, disk, GPU, and temperatures. And next to it is I have a cell where I can add folders and even a clipboard files. You can drop it, and on the left side you can see here the media player is showing up. So you can see you can play, pause, everything from here itself. And if you want to interselect the different widgets which I've added alongside with it, then just use your mouse wheel to scroll and select the different widgets. So you can see here. So by using this cool application named as Widgets, you can easily add multiple different widgets in the pre-space of the taskbar of Windows 11 computers very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.